Team 5.
Hey guys, what's up? I'm Abhay,
And I'm Abhijit.
and we are from Little Flower Public School.
And our team's name is Natura Amici, which is Latin for nature's friends.
And today we are going to present a skit towards you. So let's enjoy. Oh guys, we finally found you. I'm very thirsty. Does anyone have water to drink?
This is desert, okay? We don't have water here.
And we just escaped from God.
And that's crazy.
Guys, do you remember 16 December, 5 days before Armageddon? Those memories still haunt me.
Stop! This is God speaking to you. I command you all to fix AGS Layout Road in the next 5 days, or else I shall destroy the world.
God, what's your email ID?
God@god.com.
Fine, but you say why AGS layout road? I mean, kind of weird, right?
See, I scanned the whole city, but I couldn't find any road which was worse than this. This is the road. This is the road.
That makes sense. But guys, we gotta take this seriously. Let's take it seriously.
Yeah, or else we'll destroy the rest of the world.
Yeah, we are the saviors of the earth. We have to do something now.
What about me listening to music?
What about my sleep?
What about my makeup? What about my knowledge?
What about my tournament?
What about my gaming? And what about me?
Forget about you. But we gotta take this seriously. So let's group up. Bharat and me, we both will take care of street lamps and trees.
Yeah.
Balaji and Selena, you both take care of drainage and disposal. Abhijit and Ritika, you both take care of parking problems and footpath. And Lekhana. But what does this all come under?
It comes under urban planning.
What is urban planning? Can you just explain it to us?
It's just having to do with a town or a city. It's just concerned about the use of the land and the design of the urban environment. It has some disadvantages as well. To mention, slums grow up in major cities in developing countries.
Oh, okay. Let's get to work.
True.
Let's rock. Hey, Reliance Fresh.
Yeah, leave it.
Okay, you count the number of street lights and I count the number of trees.
Finished?
Yeah, how many?
13 are there.
Any problem?
Yes, there are like streetlights are not in the main points where they are really needed, and some are not even working, which will have to really complain to the BESCOM.
Yeah, same problem with the trees. They're not equal on both sides and some street lamps are getting covered by the trees. What we can do is we can cut off some branches of the trees and make the region a little shadowless. And as for a bonus, we can use solar street lights. Okay,
So,
let's report it.
Later on day 1.
Ew, this stinks. This will dilute my perfume smell.
Yeah, there's garbage all over here. I don't know how people lived here.
Feeling so bad for them. There are no urinal in public.
Yeah, and see, they've just wrapped the garbage inside the plastic bags and they just threw it here and there.
Yeah, instead they could use paper bags, right?
Yeah,
It's degradable.
Yeah, we can use paper bags. And even we can and see the open drainage. The drainage is completely open and it gives out bad odor. So instead, we can use RCC slabs and RCC detailing walls so that it will be covered and the bad odor doesn't come out.
How about we make a civilian group?
Yeah, we can even make a civilian group so that like people, if we go together to the government and speak about the problems, like they can implement those ideas.
Come, let's report it to our team.
Yeah.
Oh, it seems there's a lot of parking problem around here.
Yeah, and And the footpaths are also damaged.
Yeah, that's the main problem. You see, in this chart, you can see a lot of the footpath is damaged, which causes vehicles to, block the road for the rest of the vehicles, which is a very huge problem.
You know why actually these footpaths get damaged? It's mainly because people park their vehicles on the
Yeah.
footpath, though they know it's only for pedestrians, and this forces the pedestrians to use the travel lane.
Yeah, and as you can see, there's a lot of awkward parking as well because there's no proper places where people can go and park their vehicles. And if they park it on the road, the other vehicles will get blocked, and that's another problem as well. But we, as a solution for this, since almost every area has a government site for itself, what they can do is they can erect a building so that the vehicles can go and park over there, and the rest of the road will be parked free, so you can move around easily.
And even the divider must be added. It helps in the easy traffic movement. Here we can actually observe that the width of the culvert here is lesser than the width of the road, which is the main cause for the traffic problem. Here the culvert also must be widened. Let's report this.
Yeah.
Hi Likana.
Hello, what's up?
Nothing's much.
Here's the report.
Okay, so I will do it.
Think of a creative and a smart idea to fix the road.
Okay, done.
Balaji, stay here with her.
Yeah.
Good morning, sir.
I'm Balaji.
Good morning.
I'm Lekana, and here we are to discuss about the problems faced by the residents of AGS layout. And I'll just get you the reports.
This is the report where the problems and solutions are mentioned.
And we have come up with a smart idea of having rainwater harvesting system from roads. So here is a plan for it. So as you know, the rain falling on the ground is guided towards this sidewalk area over here. It subsequently flows into the stormwater drains. So to increase the groundwater recharge and to decrease the overflow of the stormwater drains, we need to have an infiltration trench built, which is 2 feet wide and 2 feet deep. By this, we can actually, the water actually percolates, and we can actually save water, and this system can be enclosed with interlocking pavers and used as walkways. And how is this idea?
It's a very smart idea. I'll try my best to implement it.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Day 5.
Yes, we finally completed the work.
So we finally did everything, and okay, let me take a look at the time. I mean, okay, yeah, it's 11:59, 5 seconds remaining. Let's count down. 5, 4.
Did you email it to God?
No.
Two, one,
One.
0.
Abba, these humans are dead. Finally. Okay, now I got it.
Run.
Ayo, they're living now also. Okay. I'll come back and chase them later after some time. Once I'm in a good mood.
So, everyone got to know why were we running these days?
Lekana, you remembered that song we had made?
It was a brilliant one. Why don't we exhibit?
Yeah.
Crazy how life can change. Janagraha can change the range. People come closer to know some more. And ready to roar. I don't wanna give up. I don't wanna give in. It's Janagraha. I don't wanna give up. We don't wanna give in. It's Janagraha. One love for nations cry. One love for everyone's cry. One love to stay alive. Oh, it's not a lie. One love for nations cry. One love for everyone's cry. One love. Oh, I do believe one love is all we need.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Very innovative presentation. Very nicely done.
Thank you.
Good job. But did you do, like I asked the other team also, did you do any awareness program about your problem and your
Yeah, when we went to the road, we encouraged people to follow such ideas like disposal of garbage at the proper places and many other ideas, so that we also spread some awareness among people.
very good.
So what did you learn from the project about working together, working in team, or other skills?
From this project, one of the best things we learned is teamwork.
And we also learned how to interact with different kinds of people.
And since on a daily basis you don't get this much exposure to go and do stuff with people, work with people, talk to people, and examine the problems around us so carefully, since we don't get to do that on a usual basis, and this was a special opportunity for us.
And it was a great learning experience for us. We were exposed to a new world. We were not aware of all these problems. We were like basic lifestyle. We were not aware of all these problems faced by residents. So we actually interviewed people, got to know their problems, and thought of smart ideas.
And also we got a reason to go around and have fun.
Okay. And all these PowerPoint presentations and videos that you showed, did you do that before this project or only in this project?
We have actually interviewed the corporator before the semi-finals. It was like we had to do it. We had to, continue our work. We thought of continuing our work. We are the future citizens. So we need to take up responsibilities. So it was not of like intention to do the work. It was like continue our work.
Our main intention was to do something for the society, for ourselves.
I thought it was a really creative presentation. I loved a lot of your ideas and, a lot of humor in it, and a lot of, clearly you all had fun doing this, so that's very important. I think that what is important, especially because you're such a bright young group of kids, the solutions that you proposed were all intellectual solutions, the rainwater harvesting, having a government property where you could build parking, etc. I think what's important is that you all experience, even if it is a small change, you actually experience converting. For example, when you went to the corporator and you asked him, told him about your things, if you could have gotten one victory, whether it was through the community or through the government doing something, I think it's very important to experience that, because then you're not just in the realm of creative ideas and, proposed solutions, but the actual implementation, and you understand what it takes to make change happen on the ground. I think that's important. So for example, one of the teams who presented earlier, the fact that they went to the corporator, got him to clear the garbage, or got him to do the roads, or start providing water to the community. Any small thing, but if you taste that one thing of being able to be a change maker, I think then you're on a journey of just growing from strength to strength.
He actually gave an immediate action as soon as we actually, went and complained about the problems. He called up a person over there. He told him to clear the garbage. And the next day it was totally cleared. It was a more hygienic one actually.
Great. So I think that's the kind of stuff. That's good that you explained this, because we didn't get that from your presentation. Great.
And we didn't taste defeat yet. So we are not going to give up.
That's even more wonderful. Well done.